In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the time on Clickup. Clickup Trademark is a powerful tool that has streamlined the way we manage our work by integrating task management, document sharing, and time tracking into a single platform. Whether you're new to Clickup or you're looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process of editing time on a task with ease and precision. First things first, to access the features of Clickup, you'll need to navigate to the Clickup Trademark website. This is your gateway to organizing your work and diving into the multitude of functions that Clickup has to offer. Simply type Clickup Trademark vertical bar the Everything app for work into your browser and you're on your way. Upon reaching the Clickup homepage, the next step is to log into your account. This requires your email address and the password you set up during your account creation. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Clickup provides an easy password reset mechanism to get you back on track quickly. Located on the login screen, you'll find the fields to enter your email and password. Fill these in with the appropriate information tied to your account. Once completed, look for the login button. Clicking this button is like opening the door to your digital workspace. Your tasks, schedules, and projects are all neatly organized within. Immediately after logging in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. This is the heart of your Clickup workspace, where you can view your recent tasks, upcoming deadlines, and overall progress. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's dive straight into editing the time estimate on a task. Your task list is a comprehensive overview of everything on your plate. To find the specific task you want to edit, you might need to navigate through various projects or spaces depending on how your Clickup account is organized. Once you've located the task, either by searching or browsing through your list, click on it to bring up its detailed view. Within the task detail view, you're presented with various pieces of information and actionable items, everything from descriptions and attachments to due dates and time estimates. To edit the time estimate, which is essentially your forecast of how long the task will take to complete, look for the time estimate field. This is usually marked by an icon resembling a clock or a timer. Clicking on the time estimate opens a window where you can adjust the duration. This is where the flexibility of Clickup truly shines. You can specify the time in hours and minutes, tailoring it to the complexity and demand of the task at hand. If you initially underestimated or overestimated the time required, this is your opportunity to make necessary adjustments. As you refine your time estimate, consider the implications it has on your workload and deadlines. A well-calculated time estimate not only helps you manage your own expectations, but also communicates to your team how you're allocating your resources. It's a key component of effective time management within Clickup. Once you've input the new time estimate, be sure to save your changes. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring that your adjustments are recorded and reflected across your workspace. With the updated time estimate saved, you've successfully edited the duration needed for your task. Editing the time on Clickup can have a significant impact on your daily workflow. It allows you to better plan your schedule, communicate with your team about your availability, and ensure that projects are completed within their expected timelines. Moreover, regularly updating time estimates as tasks progress or as their complexity becomes clearer can improve the accuracy of your planning and the efficiency of your work. In conclusion, Clickup offers a dynamic platform to manage tasks, collaborate with team members, and track time efficiently. By following these steps to edit time estimates on your tasks, you're leveraging a key functionality of Clickup that contributes to better project management and team collaboration. Practice adjusting time estimates on various tasks to get comfortable with the process and make it a natural part of your task management routine. Remember, the goal of this feature is to make your work more manageable and predictable. With practice, you'll find that editing time on Clickup not only enhances your productivity, but also provides valuable insights into how you work and how you can continually improve your workflow. Thank you for following along with this detailed guide on how to edit time on Clickup. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you make the most of this comprehensive work management tool.